Okay. Starts na kami pupunta sa view. The journey starts here. Saan tayo pupunta? May Starbucks ba? Pupunta kami sa Palm... Anong pangalan ng pupunta natin? Palm View?
Jumayra.
Palm Jumeirah ang pupunta namin. So nandito na kami sa loob. Ganda. So hindi ka naman makakarating dito sa loob kung hindi ka nakapag online check-in. So you need to buy something online. Palm Jumeirah. Yun. So yan. Yan ang view dito. Palm Jumeirah. Ayan. Yan ang pupuntahan namin. Ayan. So yan. Yan ang mga activities dito. Okay. Ganda. May Starbucks dito sa loob. My mommy and Ray's waiting. Say hi. Yan, bibili sila. So, ika-confirm nila dyan, Paul, at si Clay, si Eleanor. So, dyan. Hi.
Ito.
Saka na.
May charge niya.
Okay, gagamitin ko din ito pag vlog. So itong loob ng The View. The View, Palm Jumeirah, Nakheel. This is called Nakheel Mall. Ayan si Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Ang ganda ng pinakabinitawan ng message. We do not wait for things to happen. Rather, we make them happen. So, it's sa Tagalog. Ayaw mo nang hintayin ang ano dapat mangyari. Na dapat mo na-anticipate kung ano dapat mangyayari sa iyo.
Just leave a valid ID.
Okay? Doon kami galing. Papasok na kami sa loob. Yan, papasok na sila sa loob. Dito na kami sa loob. Ganda. Wow. Ganda. Pasok na sila. Pasok na kami.
Welcome to Interact with everyone. This one's a little bit closer to that. Thank you. The rest can stand on the other side so you can see the entire.
Welcome to Dubai, the home of Palm Jumeirah.
Good morning, everyone. You will find several steps in here. Please step into the step.
In 2001, construction began. The first feature, the outer break wall. The break wall stretches 5.3 kilometers east to west and 5 kilometers north to south. The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometers east to west and 4 kilometers north to south. The break wall runs 11 kilometers and protects the inner elements of the man-made island.
So once again, welcome to interactive flooring. So here you will see how we shape the Palm Jumeirah by standing and stepping into the steps that you will see in the flooring. It will also give you an
Inside water
idea how
depth
they
is
get
20 meters, while outside of the break wall, the water depth is 30 meters.
So they have started the island back in 2001, and it only took for them less than 6 years to complete the Palm Jumeirah. 2001 to 5, it is almost completed. By 2006, people in the residence started to move and live in Palm Island. Maybe sir, next please. Anyone can do?
7 million tons of rock was used as the foundations. 120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 stones in the shape of a palm.
Okay, thank you so much. Next please. On your right side.
1,500 villas, 2,500 apartments, with over 78,000 people who live on the palm. Over 1 million tourists and residents visit the palm each year. The palm is home to 27 hotels, including the stunning Atlantis the Palm.
So this doesn't show us where we are located right now. We are in the middle part of that.
Tourist destinations such as the view at the palm, Nakheel Marinas, the palm is connected to Dubai with a 300-meter bridge. This bridge transports over 100,000 cars daily. That is over 1 billion cars a year. The Palm Monorail runs the length of the palm, featured with 5 stations connecting key destinations.
Atlantis the Royal is one of the biggest 5-star hotels here in Palm Jumeirah. It was only opened last July 2020.
The palm opened in 2006 with a spectacular fireworks display.
Thank you for completing the island that's now proceed inside of it. We will take a walk to it and we will go.
Please make your way into the cinema to learn about the idea.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Ito.
You can come from this side. I'll see.
صغيرا ألعب على شاطئ البحر مع أصدقائي، كانوا يبنون بيوتا وقلاع رملية على الشاطئ، وأنا كنت أحاول أن أبني في البحر، وكانوا يضحكون. والآن كثيرا ما أصبحت إلى مشروع نقرب المضارب في البحر. دعونا نتحاور ونفكر في المستقبل ليكون لدينا جميعا رؤية واضحة. فدعونا نخوض معا معركة التنمية، وليكن من ضحايانا الفقر والجهل والتخلف.
Ganda, ganda.
In 1997, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, embarked on a project that would transform Dubai's coastline and give the world one of its most recognizable man-made wonders, a technological marvel. Palm Jumeirah has become a symbol of not only Dubai's rich heritage and deep connection to the sea, but a shining beacon of ambition and innovation that can be found in the Arab world. This is the incredible story of how the island that captured the world's imagination rose from the sea. Welcome to the view at the Palm. From warm, shallow waters lapping at the coastline of the Gulf to a dazzling symbol of imagination and architectural ingenuity, this is the Palm Jumeirah. The iconic island was born from a vision to create an unforgettable masterpiece that would showcase the spirit of human possibility and transform the emirate into a buzzing metropolis and a global tourist destination. His Excellency Sultan Ahmed bin Islayam was mandated by His Highness to bring this great idea to life, where the island's original design was shaped like a sun.
He told me, how many kilometers we're going to get if we build this island? I told him 7 kilometers. He told me, why not 70? I told him, the whole beach of Dubai, Your Highness, is 60, 65 kilometers. How would you get 70? He said, why do we build it round? Why don't we pull it from the sides and create more beaches?
The redesign included a 1.4-kilometer bridge connecting the Dubai mainland to the island. The shape then began to resemble a palm tree, a true Dubai icon. Nearly 100 million cubic meters of sand from the bottom of the sea and 7 million tons of rock from nearby mountains in the northern Emirates were carefully positioned using GPS technology and satellite images from space to create one of the most recognizable icons of Dubai. Constructed in less than 6 years, from 2001 to 2006, the first of its kind man-made island is a monumental feat of engineering and modern technology. It is one of the few islands in the world that can be viewed from space with the naked eye. Today, we welcome you to experience a pioneering symbol of Dubai's transformation into one of the world's most exciting cities. Designed to inspire wonder, this unforgettable, iconic, and awe-inspiring journey brings the story of Palm Jumeirah to life for the first time.
Thank you so much, everyone. You can proceed to
Mamaya na yan, wala ko bang makikita dito. Maulolobat ka na agad.
At least nakuha ko yung story niya.
Ay, ito yun ka. Ito yun.
Pasok na kami sa isang stage area.
59. 59.
What is the view?
Tingnan mo kapal sa mga Ibig sabihin mahal yung mga tinampak niya.
Yeah.
Oo, tinambakan ito. Yung tinayo niya yung bridge. Tingnan mo. Solid na solid. Yung tubig sa gitna.
Yan yung naiiwan na tubig na lang, no? Grabe.
Tingnan mo. Sa lalaki ng mga building, tambak.
Sige, kunin kita rin. So ito na yung nangyari sa ano?
2016. Ito sa 2016.
In 2006.
Hindi pa
Yan. Ganda. Okay, papasok na naman kami sa next stage. Okay, pasok na kami sa loob. Kaya nga, the view pa. Nandito kami sa loob ng elevator.
Labas lang kami babaya sa elevator.
Ha?
Alam mo, sa YouTube yung ano yan. Dapat palitan mo yung 3 peoples mo. Tom, mamaya, lalabas na kami dito kamo.
Yun na. Tapos na kami. Punta naman ang other stage. So, yun yung pinanggalingan natin, no?
Anda nang galing. Toronto, Pacific.
Yun yung apartment natin. Diba? Yun o, yung may Ferris wheel.
Yung Dubai friend. Doon lang tayo.
Yun ang apartment natin, no? Diyan pala, Dubai frame eh. Mainit. Oh, yan yung apartment namin. Sa lugar na yan. Yan ang, diyan kami naka-check-in. Tabi ng Ferris wheel. In specific area, yan banda. So, nandyan yung Dubai frame. And then, where's that Burj Khalifa? I cannot see the Burj Khalifa here. We'll go on the other side. Ikot kami. Oh, Clay, you're enjoying Clay? You're just sitting now. Say hi. Hi to Palmview. Ano next? Ano gawin natin doon, anak ko? Ganito lang? So yan. Ito yung nakikita natin sa video kanina kung paano nila ginawa ito. Yan ang mga actual na buildings. Yung parang kamay na ilang daliri. Yan yung Palmview. Hindi gaano makita kasi kailangan ikot ako.
Libre siguro yan.
Say hi mami ko.
Libre to?
Yeah, libre to. Libre to. Naniwag ko na. Wala naman tao doon. You know? Ganda.
Doon kayo maliligo?
Ewan ko kung saan tayo maliligo. Saan kami maliligo dito banda? Sabi maliligo daw kami. Ewan ko kung dyan. Ayun, may bridge din doon, no? Yan ang ground. Ganda. Puro view. Hindi ko na recognize ito sa Burj Khalifa. Kung saan banda. Oh, you can step here?
Yeah, step up here.
Oh, I thought they're not allowed to step here.
I think this one is for step.
Oh, there's a swimming pool. Oh, they're doing the swimming. Oh, nice. Maybe we can take the swimming. I'm scared, no? That's nice, man. Oh, you're taking all the videos, huh? So ito yung mga pagkainan dito kung gusto nyo kumain. May mga drinks yata din sila. Oh. So ikot-ikot lang ako, ah.
I can only see here.
Oh.
I can't go far.
Tingnan nyo na lang yung view. Oh, baka dito kami mag-swimming. Yeah. Dito. Kasi we're ready to swim. Ganda. Ang daming beaches dito. Oh. Wow, try nyo pumunta dito. Ayos dito sa Dubai. Enjoy. Enjoy lang buhay. Ganyan lang. Huwag nyo isipin ng gastos. O, yun yung pinuntahan namin. Birds Al Arab. Yung sa video ko, tingnan nyo na lang. Yung gold coffee. Cappuccino. Andyan siya. Okay? So, wala dito site niya, yung Burj Khalifa.
Mag-forward ito lang sa akin, nahulog po siya.
Nahulog? Nasira? Hindi, may warranty yan.
Abay, nabuo? Ang kabalinan, inusara man ito natin tayo.
Na warranty na. Yan o. Di ba kadyan kami magbe-beach? O, walang swimming pool na dito, banda. Okay. Ayan pala ang ano pala yung kamay nila, paikot pala. Paikot ang kamay. Ang view. Ang ganda. May swimming pool doon, Ray. May swimming pool doon. Yan din ang baba niya. Dito tayo magsiswimming pag ano. Ganda. Pati doon, oh, pwede kayo pumunta doon banda, yung lugar na yun sa dulo na yun. Ha? Yun pala yung, oh, yung ganito pala yung view niya. So ito yung nakikita namin sa, ewan ko, i-review ko nga yung video ko sa Burj Al Arab. So ikot-ikot lang ako, ikot-ikot, makita natin ang buong palm view. This is nice one. Pare-pares ang bahay, oh. Ganda. So kung kailan gusto niyo na mag ano, mayroon kayong boat, dito kayo. So I will step here. Ito, kakatakot ito. Tapos sa bangka dito banda. Oh. Tinimpa ako. Kakatakot. So may nagsiswimming din doon. Ganda naman ang swimming nun. Oh. Ang init. Mag-enjoy ng swimming. Oh. Ito nyo. Kakatakot. Nandito ako sa dulo nyo. Oh, may nagsiswimming din pala dito. So dito kami magsiswimming. Yeah. Tingnan no. Yeah. Oh, doon ang swimming nila. Meron ito, tingnan ko kung makikita natin yung Burj Khalifa. No. Birds Al Arab. Kita? Yun yung Birds Al Arab dun. Shoot ko yung camera. Asan yung camera? Oh, yung yan. Yung camera niya. Kita ba? Wala na.